Maybe you've experienced something like this. You realize you've hurt someone, and suddenly the moment feels overwhelming. You might even say something like, "Oh, I always do this," or "I'm terrible at relationships." If that reaction feels familiar, it makes sense. Many people have learned that mistakes should be followed by criticism or judgment. Sometimes when we realize we've hurt someone, a brief feeling of regret can actually be helpful. Regret can help us pause and reflect. It might sound like, "I wish I'd handled that differently." That feeling is different than toxic shame. This shame says something is wrong with me. So when shame takes over and people shut down, defend themselves, or turn harshly against themselves, none of those reactions will actually help repair the relationship rupture. Accountability looks different. It allows someone to stay present long enough to say, "I can see how what I did affected you." That presence is what makes repair possible. The next time you notice self-blame showing up, try a small shift. Instead of saying to yourself, "What is wrong with me?" try asking, "What might I learn from this moment?" Curiosity keeps the nervous system open, and openness makes growth possible. Growth rarely happens when we're attacking ourselves. It happens when we are able to stay present and reflect with honesty. If this has helped you understand the difference between shame and accountability, I invite you to subscribe and continue learning with our growing community. Next time, we will explore something incredibly important for relationships: how repair actually begins after conflict. See you then.